Hey guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Miracle Grow indoor plant food. Yeah, these are very, very good for your plants. Yeah, I've been using these probably for going on 3 to 4 years now to give my plants that are indoors life and vitality. It really gives the nourishment that your plants need to actually, you know, blossom very, very full and without too much effort. What I actually do is, this comes in the pack. You use this, say you have a potted plant indoors. Remember, this is for your indoor plants only, okay? Not for outdoors, okay? Now this, you would put like a little hole in the, well, kind of a pretty deep hole actually. Use the whole thing. Push it down into the soil all the way, making a hole, and then you pull this out, and then this into the soil, like close to between the edge of the pot and the plant itself. Yeah, just right there on the side. And then you push these all the way into the soil. Push it all the way down until this entire stick is submerged into that hole, to where the soil is covering the stick here. And you're going to just leave it in there and water the plant just like normal, and just leave it in there for 30 days, and then after 30 days replace it. If it's in the winter time, you can replace it after 60 days. But normally if it's not winter time, replace them every 30 days. And it gives your indoor plants just really nice vitality. Plants, flowers, all of it. It's just really, you really see the difference. They seem fuller, healthier, I really like them a lot. When your plants look good, it kind of brightens up the room, and they just look very healthy. If you want your plants to look healthy, like you're really taking care of them, you should use these. These aren't very expensive. You get about 48 spikes in one pack. It just contains like special nutrients, especially formulated for indoor plants. Now, I think you can get ones for outdoor plants too, but this one is especially for the indoor plants, and it's safe for any kind of plants that you have that are indoors, whether it be flowers or just green plants like ferns and stuff like that. It's really, really a good way to keep your, plants just really very healthy. And it's good for all indoor plants, not just specific ones. You can use this for all indoor plants that you have, as long as it's, is in the soil. It can, really do well by using these spikes. All the plants, all the different kinds of plants. It's really good. And how I got to know this is my grandmother used these for, she had like a ton, more than the average person. It was just ridiculous how many plants she had in her house. It was wrong how many plants she had in her house. It was amazing. But they were all flourishing. They were all very, very healthy and very green. And one day I asked her, how she was doing it. And she showed me about these spikes, because I don't have that many plants in my house, but, I'll keep a few in each room. Just, there's nothing like a plant that, makes the room flourish, or, gives it that lived in look, like someone's living there nicely. But yeah, she used these, And I started using them because of her, and told me all about it. And I gave it a shot, and my plants perked right up. I mean, the green was like no other. The green was a deep green after using these. It's really nice nourishment. It's like vitamins for your plants. So very good. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Miracle Grow indoor plant food. Hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.